This is Attorney Marjorie Bonelli, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about inheritance and divorce in Florida. So most people seem to think that your inheritance is always protected from divorce, but that's not always the case. So generally speaking, yes, inheritance is considered a non-marital asset, so it belongs to the person who received it. The problem with inheritance is not where it came from or how you received it, but what you do once you have it. So if you mix your inheritance with marital assets, that's what we call commingling. And my prior video was about that subject. So if you haven't watched it, go check it out. A few common mistakes that I see here in the office. The person receives a ton of money and then immediately deposits into a joint bank account. Or they pay off marital debt. For example, student loans or medical bills, or they go ahead and pay their mortgage off and the property is marital property that's titled under both of their names. So another example that I see as well, moving the money back and forth so much. So from a personal account to a joint account to an investment account back to the personal account to the point that you cannot trace it. So that doesn't automatically mean that you're going to lose all of your inheritance, but you can potentially lose part of it. And you can also create a claim for the other spouse because you have now commingled. So a few solutions. Keep it completely separate, unless of course you don't mind sharing with your spouse. It depends on what your goals are. Be careful how you use it, depending on the examples that I gave. Make sure you avoid those circumstances. And make sure you can trace all the funds. And depending on the situation, a lot of times you can do a prenuptial agreement or a postnuptial agreement. As long as it's well drafted and properly executed, that's another way that you can protect your inheritance as well. So I hope this video was helpful and clarified some of the questions I've been receiving here in the office. And if you have any questions about your particular situation, all my information is above on the bio. Thank you so much. Until the next video.